Hey guys, 𝐿𝐵𝐺𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐵𝐺𝐸. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the gasket off the oil filter housing for the 2015 BMW 328i. This method pretty much works for a lot of these 3 Series and also 5 Series BMWs because the oil filter housing is located at the front of the engine. The reason I'm going to recommend that you change the gasket is because if the oil filter housing begins to leak, it's going to leak on the serpentine belt located at the front of the engine. And that serpentine belt drives your alternator, the engine itself, and a lot of the important electronic components located at the front of your engine. So I do recommend that you swap it out if you notice that the oil filter housing is in fact leaking. Trust me, the last thing you want to do is wait the last second because this thing is going to create a nightmare for you. The serpentine belt's going to slip off, your car's going to lose power, and you're going to get stuck wherever you're located. I recommend that you get on top of it and get it done rather than waiting. All the tools needed in order to make this happen is going to be linked down in the video description below. Let's get started.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
First thing first, you want to grab a wrench. I recommend you use a size 8 hex socket in order to remove the screws located on the oil filter housing. There should be 4 of them, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. So unscrew it. In order to reach the bottom screws, you may have to take the air filter out the way. Right next to the mass airflow center, you're going to see a clamp there. You're going to want to remove that clamp. Once you remove it, you should be able to pop the air filter out of place and set it aside without having to unplug the mass airflow sensor. Now you should be able to reach the bottom of that oil filter housing and unscrew. I do recommend that you take a towel and put underneath the oil filter housing because when you pop that out, you're going to have a lot of coolant and oil seeping out of there. So you don't want that getting all over your serpentine belt because it's going to cause it to slip and you're going to get stuck once again. Now, once that's off, you should be able to examine the gasket. You're going to notice that it's completely flat up against the oil filter housing. That's how you know it's bad. It's also seized up and hard. So I am going to recommend that you replace it with another one. Take something sharp, poke the gasket, and pull it right out of there. If your car differs from mine is the 2015 BMW 328i. If it differs in any way, let me know down in the comments below and I will help you find the proper one. Clean the edge that you took the gasket off of. Make sure that there is no oil there. Clean it completely. Then you want to wipe down the areas clean that has the coolant and the oil there. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, 𝐿𝐵𝐺𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐵𝐺𝐸, and I'm out. Yes, sir. Peace.
Let's get it.